back everyone. We are learning about transport of substances in plants. Now we are going to learn about ascent of sap. So the upward movement of water and minerals in a plant through xylem tissue is called ascent of sap. Sap is basically fluid, water and minerals. So the upward movement of that water and minerals from root towards the rest of the part of plant is called ascent of sap. How does it happen? How ascent of sap takes place? So in plants, when there is excess of water, that water is removed out through stomata. Stomata are tiny pores which are found on the lower side of the leaf. Microscopic pores are these, and that removal of water in the form of water vapor is called transpiration or evaporation. Okay. So through leaves, excess of water is removed out in the form of water vapor, that is transpiration. Due to transpiration, what happens? There is a suction pull is produced, that is vacuum is created, gap is created. Due to that successive pull, it pulls the water from roots to upward direction to a great height. Because there is empty space created, due to that a pulling is created there, that is suction pull, and due to that the water from roots move towards the upward direction in all parts of the plant. For better explanation, you can take an example. You must have taken cold drinks by using straw. So what happens? How we can take cold drinks? Cold drinks हमारे mouth के अंदर कैसे जाता है? First of all, we have to suck the air that is found in the straw. Then vacuum is created. Due to vacuum, there is nothing is there in the straw, and in the outer atmosphere there is more air pressure, and inside straw there is less air pressure. Due to that, water is sucked towards the straw and we can easily take cold drinks. Okay, so just like that, there is a suction pull is created and water and minerals moves from root towards the upward direction. Okay, you can see this blue lines are showing xylem tissue, and xylem tissue is pipe like structure, and through those pipes, tube like structure, water and minerals are moves towards the upward direction due to suction pull, which is created due to transpiration, and finally each part of a plant can get water. Okay, there is another function of transpiration is also there. What is that? It cools the plant in hot weather. We know that evaporation is a process of removal of water vapor. Water in the form of water vapor. For formation of water vapor, heat is required. So when water is removed out in the form of vapor, then heat is also needed for that process, and heat is also removed from the plant surface. As sweating takes place in our body, it cools our body after sweating, because water vapor is evaporated after sweating, and we feel cool due to evaporation, क्योंकि heat निकल रहा है body का. Just like that in plants also, through transpiration the heat is removed out from the body because of evaporation, and plant becomes cool during hot weather, during summer days. Okay, so in this way water and minerals are transported from root to each and every part of the plant, and this movement of sap is called ascent of sap, and there is a great role of transpiration in this process. In next video we will learn about translocation of food. Till that, you look at the screen.